Today we'll be unboxing the Lunar New Year Air Jordan 1 Lows in the Proton Dust colorway. The month of January has given us a lot of very cool Lunar New Year and Year of the Snake themed releases from Nike, and this is one of my favorite colorways. As always with Nike, the details are everywhere, and looking all around this box, the iridescence carries to the box. Taking a look around, it has this beautiful rainbow sheen all around it. But let's waste no more time and see what's inside. One more thing to point out before we see the shoes, Nike still always on point with their details. Even the wrapping paper has this beautiful snake-like texture to it. And here they are, the Proton Dust Air Jordan 1 Lows. We'll get into the details in a second, but let's just admire this beautiful gray and white colorway with these little details of light blue that just tie it all together. Now, all of these Lunar New Year shoes have been shipped with this commemorative Year of the Snake tag with a beautiful snakeskin texture and this bead dangler that probably has some form of meaning. I don't know. Let me know if you do in the comments. We'll circle back and take a look at the insole and the shoelaces in just a moment. But before we do that, I want to spin to the side of the shoe and get a look at this beautiful Nike swoosh. This swoosh has an incredible snakeskin-like texture on it that is not just visually appealing, but has a wonderful texture to it that mimics snakeskin. And then on the back, we have this gorgeous iridescent Air Jordan logo that mimics the reflection of a snake eye switching between blue and orange depending on what light you're in. Now going back inside the shoe, you could see the outer edge has a very similar snakeskin-like sheen. Snakeskin being the whole theme of this shoe, really. The classic Jordan 23 inside the insole, and even these shoelaces have a snakeskin-like braiding to them. I don't think these are specially made for this shoe or the Lunar New Year shoes, but the choice of knit, I suppose you could say, it's just a fantastic detail. Now the tongue also has a snakeskin-like texture to it that is subtle but carries that snake theme throughout the shoe. One last glance at the whole shoe before we flip over and take a look at the sole. And here we go. The sole is a beautiful kind of transparent light blue. I know the second that this touches the floor, it's going to turn brown, but until then, it's going to look gorgeous. And here we'll just take a quick scan around the other shoe, check for any imperfections, irregularities, and overall, Nike quality. This thing looks great. It's from factory. And one more look at this little Air Jordan bumper in the back, side by side together. So cool. So cool. Now, make sure you like and subscribe for more unboxings. We do shoes, streetwear, and luxury products almost every other week. So, again, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.